A comprehensive guide to matched betting, maximizing profits with risk-free bets. Introduction. Matched betting is a legal and risk-free method to make money by taking advantage of bookmakers' promotional offers. By strategically placing bets on all possible outcomes, you can unlock free bets and convert them into guaranteed profits. This tutorial will walk you through the process, providing step-by-step instructions to help you get started with matched betting. Understanding the basics. Matched betting involves placing two opposing bets. A back bet, placed at a bookmaker, and a lay bet, placed at a betting exchange, to cover all outcomes. The goal is to utilize free bet offers, refund promotions, and other incentives provided by bookmakers. By canceling out the risk with opposing bets, you can guarantee a profit regardless of the outcome. Building a bankroll. Before diving into matched betting, it's important to set aside a bankroll. Start with an amount you're comfortable with, as it will be used for placing bets and covering liabilities. Allocating a separate bank account or e-wallet for matched betting can help you keep your finances organized. Finding bookmaker offers. To make money with matched betting, you need access to bookmaker offers. Online platforms like OddsMonkey, Profit Accumulator, and Matched Bets provide comprehensive lists of current offers, odds matching tools, and calculators to simplify the process. These services often charge a subscription fee, but they offer valuable resources and save you time by consolidating all the necessary information in one place. Calculating bets and potential profits. Before placing any bets, use a matched betting calculator to determine the ideal stake amounts for your back and lay bets. This will ensure that you cover all possible outcomes and maximize your profits. The calculator takes into account the odds, commission rates on betting exchanges, and any qualifying criteria set by the bookmaker. Placing your first bet. Select a bookmaker offer and follow the step-by-step instructions provided by your chosen matched betting platform. Identify a suitable event or match, calculate your stakes, and place your back bet. Then, go to a betting exchange and lay the same selection to cover all possible outcomes. Remember to account for commission rates on the exchange. Once the event concludes, you'll receive your free bet or qualifying refund. Extracting profits from free bets. After receiving a free bet, repeat the process of placing back and lay bets, this time aiming to extract as much profit as possible. By using the same principles of matched betting, you can convert these free bets into guaranteed cash. Matched betting platforms often provide detailed guides and step-by-step instructions for each offer, ensuring you don't miss any crucial steps. Expanding your profit potential. As you gain experience and confidence, explore advanced matched betting techniques, such as accumulators, extra place offers, and each-way betting. These strategies can further boost your earnings potential and allow you to take advantage of more diverse bookmaker promotions. Conclusion. Matched betting is a powerful method for making money online, providing a risk-free approach to profiting from bookmaker offers. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can start generating consistent profits through matched betting. Remember to stay organized, use reliable matched betting platforms, and always double-check your calculations to ensure a successful betting experience.